Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video using Eskimo's Duplicator, and I'm actually going to call this one a little bit different name because I'm kind of getting off the subject. But I've got a 2" by 2" black square and a blue square just for reference if you were going to make like a checkerboard. So we have these two items. We're going to go horizontal only. I'm going to put 5. It did that. I am going to go now vertically, and I'm going to put 2. And I'm going to select them, and I'm going to apply. Then I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to mirror it. And then I'm going to take these, and I'm going to put it back to 5. And there you have a checkerboard, any size, any mount, with just a few changes in the variables and hitting apply. This is pretty cool if you were laying out a checkerboard or anything like this. So there will be a link to this Duplicator macro, and it doesn't really work because you cannot, so you can do vertically and horizontally, but it doesn't alternate the patterns. And of course you could always do it and then alternate the patterns by using the Alt key on your keyboard and just go through those and then mirror those. But you can actually do it without that by having just do a couple more steps. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.